Morning from another very beautiful day here in Italy. The apartment we're staying in has this incredible balcony with this amazing view of the mountains over there. And I thought I would use this view to review the Sony RX100 VII, a camera that I've had 4 times now. Oh, by the way, it does have this, well, you can buy this case, but it's incredibly expensive. So this is the official Sony leather case for the Mark VII. I think it does fit other models, but yeah, fits in there absolutely snug. Nice clip on the bottom. Then you also have a little loop on the back if you wanted to put a D-ring in there or a carabiner or something. I remember I bought this camera when it first came out, and when I first started traveling to Italy, this was my firm favorite. And then for some reason I sold it because I think the Fuji cameras got my attention. So I sold this, I bought a Fuji camera, and then moved through many other camera bodies. Bought this again, sold it, bought it again, sold it, and now bought it again. Let's zoom in on the mountains. Right, take a quick picture of the mountains. They're very hazy today, but we still have this incredible view. And we can obtain a really nice close-up with the 24 to 200mm, which again, for this body, is insane that you get that type of reach. So let's have another look. Got station over here, so let's zoom in. So first of all, let's zoom out. So this is zoomed out at 24. Let's zoom in. I'm shooting RAW and JPEG because I can. Let's try another shot. There's some cats playing down here. Oh, let's shoot some video actually. I'll show you what the video's like. You see it's quite stable. And this is 4K. But this is using the quick video button on the camera. What else can we photograph? Oh, there's a tractor down here. So let's do that. See that? We've got a train coming in over here. Nope. Can't quite see it because it's hidden behind another train parked. But yeah, I mean, this is most definitely a camera for travel. I wouldn't say it's a street photography camera by any means. I know people do use it for street, but it does have a fairly slow startup and shutdown time. So shutdown, startup. Reco's quicker, but you know, it's not too bad. We have a full metal body on here. We obviously have our zoom rocker here, on-off button. We've got a mode selection dial here. Another thing I love about this camera is we do have a pop-up flash, and you can also use it as a bounce flash as well. So if you are inside, you're going to get a nice softer light bounced off the ceiling. One of the main selling features of the RX100 range is the pop-up viewfinder. Now, for someone like me that wears glasses, this is essential in sort of bright sunlight and bright days. So yeah, I use that an awful lot. You've got a diopter on the top there. So if you are using glasses, you can set it accordingly to your prescription. We do have a mic jack in. We have a multi-port here, and that's just a micro USB in there. Then we have an HDMI socket here, the small one. Or is it micro HDMI? Let me know in the comments below. Can't remember which one that is. I've never used it. I do have a matte screen protector on the back here. That's probably why you can't see a reflection of me. But yeah, I've put that on all of my cameras for obvious reasons. I just find it's easier to view the screen outside with that on. We do have a tilting screen, so you can have a nice waist level finder. I use that a lot. And then also, I'm not going to show my face, you do have the ability to flip it around so it faces you. And that's really handy for selfies, for traveling. I think the compact size of this camera is one of the winning features of this, and the power of the functionality of it. It's just a camera that I will always keep coming back to. Some people like to put a grip on the front here, but I quite like it nice and flush like this. We do have a mode dial on the front, and I use that for my EV. And in this mode, in aperture priority, I'm using it for the shutter speed. So of course, we can shoot both RAW and JPEG, as I mentioned. I'm shooting in 4:3 because we have a frame at home that has a 4:3 aspect ratio, and that's giving me 18 megapixels. So we have a 1-inch sensor on here that gives us really nice images. So let's dial that EV down. We don't want to be as bright as that. Now let's punch in. Yeah, well, that was a quick look at my favorite camera of all time, genuinely my favorite camera of all time, the Sony RX100 VII. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this a camera you're thinking of buying? Is it a camera you own? Have you, like me, bought it numerous times and keep coming back to it? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in another video again soon. Bye for now.